zu bringen. Das heißt, eine Schuldenbremse in die Verfassung hat die Aufgabe, diesen finanziellen Rahmen festzulegen. Und bedeutet, dass man erst gar nicht in die Fänge der Finanzmärkte geht. Wir haben in anderen Ländern erlebt.
Here at Expleo, we believe in political transparency. We believe in the potential of emerging technologies to create a more sustainable world and, most importantly, the reinforcement of democracy. Hello, my name is Jesper and I'm the founder of Expleo. Opinions and decisions should not be shaped by the politicians and the media alone, but in collaboration with the people. The emerging technological possibilities allow everyone to make their voices heard on a global scale, and we want to make use of this. Through our shared common knowledge, together we are able to create a world where we as human beings are able to make more informed and sustainable choices. Today there are many opinion polls worldwide, but it is always the media, the corporations and the politicians who decide what questions are asked and what topics are rated. What if you could evaluate issues happening on the other side of the planet? Imagine you had a global online library of opinions and facts. Would your life be any easier? And what if you could add your own opinions to the mix, creating reliable, real-time statistical data? What if it was up to you and me to decide what stories and topics were important, locally and globally? Would you and the rest of the world make more informed and better decisions? We believe you would. We believe having access to such a library on your computer, tablet or smartphone would change the way we interact with politicians and vice versa. And together we can create a more accessible democracy. Expleo is a new online tool that allows you to influence democracy in real time. It is an advertisement-free digital platform that will change the way people evaluate political candidates based on their statements as well as their actions. Today, there are many ways to put pressure on politicians, but this method is easy, fast and anonymous. A platform where you can give your specific, personal and political opinion, as well as see what the rest of the world thinks about any given issue. It provides a navigational tool in a complex world that allows you to make better decisions locally and globally. So how can you help? We are currently working hard on the website, which is still in beta. We need to add more functionality, and we also need more users to share their opinions. Please support the Expleo project by sharing, making a contribution or signing up as a beta user to help reinforce democracy worldwide. Thank you.